I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by gathering materials. 2-3. 5-inch circles of 65 to 80 GSM cardstock for each macaron shell, a 1/2-inch strip of paper to form a filling dam, craft glue or a low-heat hot glue gun, scissors, a scoring tool, optional fine sandpaper, and acrylic paint or ink. Cut consistently using a template to ensure uniform shells. Use light pencil marks and score gently to fold. Having everything pre-measured speeds assembly and keeps shells symmetrical and realistic in size and weight. To shape the shells, lightly score each 3/5-inch circle near the perimeter and gently dome the paper by pressing inward while supporting from below. This creates a natural curvature. Sand the cut edge with fine sandpaper to soften fibers, then apply diluted acrylic paint or ink with a stipple brush to simulate the meringue surface. Form a 1/2-inch paper dam and glue it around the edge of one shell to create the macaron foot and keep the filling visible and neatly contained between shells. For assembly, apply a thin layer, about 2 to 3 mm, of craft glue or tacky putty inside the 1/2-inch dam and press the second shell on top, aligning edges precisely to avoid lopsided seams. If using paper clay or painted foam for the filling, keep thickness to 1 to 2 mm so proportions match real macarons. Finish by sealing the seam with a thin paint glaze and optionally dust with mica powder or shimmer to mimic sugar crystals. Allow 12 to 24 hours to fully cure before handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.